Hey, hello. Okay, I am taking a break from sniffing and chatting with you about all the stuff that's leaving from the fall winter scent season and what's coming into the spring summer scent season, because I have a box. And in this box is something that is available right now, but it will only be available for a limited time, limited production run on it. So if this is for you, you're gonna wanna jump on this and get it real quick, okay? So, I have a question for you, and that is, what was your favorite Disney movie growing up? I have a few favorites myself, and one of my favorite Disney movies of all time has a character in it who is just a little Miss Sassy Pants. And, oh my God. And, this is so cute. And, this is the first time I'm seeing this. So this little Miss Sassy Pants, it seems like all my favorite characters are female Sassy Pants characters. So what have I got? I've got Miss Marie from Aristocats. Aristocats Collection is available right now, and I am so excited to see this. First, I just gotta say, I was about to start to open it. I just have to say, okay, look at this packaging. Look how cute that artwork is. It's got a ball of yarn. It's got Marie. It's got her pink bows. Oh my God, I just love this. Our graphic designers are always so good. Oh my God, how cute. Look how cute she is. She's so cute on there. Our graphic designers always do an amazing job designing our packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Oh, what does this say? Oh, how cute. Cute. Look at that. Oh my God, so adorable. Oh my God. Our graphic design team always does an amazing job with our packaging. I love our packaging. So I'm taking the warmer out. This is my first time seeing it too, so I'm super excited. This one is for a customer, and I'm so excited. So this is the top of the warmer lid. So you can see it looks like a ball of yarn, top half of a ball of yarn. And everything is packaged so well to make sure that it comes in perfect and beautiful and nothing is broken. Oh my God, she's so cute. Oh my God, look at that. Look at her. She's adorable. She's so perfect. Absolutely perfect. She's so stinking cute. I love her. She's an element warmer, so the wax dish is built in to the warmer design. She's an element warmer, so this is the indicator light that will be on when she is plugged in. There is no bulb for her, so you will never have to worry about a replacement bulb. Oh my God, check out her bow on the back. Perfect Marie, her bow and her fur, how perfect. Oh my God, they captured her essence so perfectly. And so the warmer dish lid, so you can use it with the lid on or with the lid off, it doesn't matter, but her lid sits on there just like that. How adorable, right? Or you can use it with the lid off if you want to get even more fragrance throw. So with my element warmers that have a lid that goes on top, I have a few. And so what I do with them is I get the wax going with the lid off. I just leave it with the lid off and then get the wax going. And after the wax is fully liquid, about hour of fragrance development, and then I put the lid on. And this lid has a lot of cutouts in here to help maximize that fragrance throw, which is fantastic because I like a lot of fragrance throw. So that's it. There is a notch in the top of the lid that matches to a corresponding notch in the dish, so you know how to put it on. It's absolutely perfect in every way. And then also, and she is hand painted, by the way. She is hand painted. So our designers design our Disney products in partnership with Disney designers to make sure we get them so perfect and correct. And this is hand painted like so many of our pieces are, so super high quality, unique. I love them. And then my customer also got Absolutely Perfect, which is her fragrance. It's the Aristocats fragrance, which I love. It's a floral, which is my favorite. I love my florals. So I'm super excited. I do know from watching this get debuted for us on our monthly end of month live for consultants that they designed this fragrance to evoke the feeling of springtime in Paris. So I'm super excited for that. And so you can see here, there's Thomas the alley cat, there's Mama, there's the babies, how adorable, the Disney and Scentsy partnership logos, because we are the official fragrance company for Walt Disney World Resort hotels. So let's smell this. Ooh, that smells so good. It's a floral, but I smell something else in there. Ooh. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, this is sweet cherry blossoms and creamy vanilla play a beautiful melody as fresh spring air guides you home. Ooh, that's what I'm smelling in there, is that ozonic note of fresh spring air mixed with the cherry blossoms, the floral. This smells amazing. I can't wait to get this warming to see how it performs, but look at that pink wax, how gorgeous. The artwork is on point as usual. Thank you, Scentsy, for being amazing. I love this company. And that's it. So if you want to get Marie the bar, her buddy is also available, then get with me super quick because I don't know how much longer these are going to be available, and I will talk to you super soon. Bye.